everyone, this is Sania Putriatika. I will introduce you to Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. Don't try to close the video and hope you like it. Taman Mini Indonesia Indah is a culture-based recreational area located in East Jakarta, Indonesia. It is operated by Yayasan Harapan Kita, a foundation established by Siti Hartinah, the First Lady during most of the New Order and wife of Suharto, and still run by Suharto descendants since his death. It has an area of about 100 hectares or 250 acres. The park is a synopsis of Indonesian culture with virtually all aspects of daily life in Indonesians. It has pavilions with the collection of rumah adat as the example of Indonesian vernacular architecture, clothing, dance, and traditions are all depicted impeccably. Apart from that, there is a lake with a miniature of the archipelago in the middle of it, cable cars, museum, Keong Mas IMAX Cinema, a theater called the Theater of My Homeland, and other recreational facilities which make Taman Mini Indonesia Indah one of the most popular tourist destinations in the city. Since 2007, Taman Mini Indonesia Indah launched new logo with branding slogan Pesona Indonesia or Indonesian Charm. On December 31, 2014, World Peace Committee decided Taman Mini Indonesia Indah as International Civilization Park and World Peace Theme Park. The idea of presenting Indonesia in a small scale was conceived by former Indonesian First Lady Siti Hartinah, better known as Tin Suharto. It came about a convention on 8 Cendana Street at March 13, 1917. Through this recreational site, she hoped to cultivate national pride in more Indonesian people. A project called Indonesian Miniature Project was started by Harapan Kita Foundation in 1972. The concept of this culture-based recreational area was inspired by Indonesians' unparalleled natural risks and local folk diversity. Since 1975 until 2000, the original designs of Taman Mini Indonesia Indah consists of a model of the traditional house from 27 provinces of Indonesia, including East Timor, but after the secession of East Timor from Indonesia in 2002, the East Timor Pavilion changed the status to become the Museum of East Timor. Since Indonesia now consists of 34 provinces, the new province pavilions of Bangka Belitung, Banten, West Sulawesi, North Maluku, Gorontalo, Riau Island, and West Papua has been built in northeast part of the park. Although the size and area of the newly built pavilion is much smaller than the previously built pavilions. After the recognition of Indonesian Chinese culture as an integral part of Indonesian culture in 2000, the new Indonesian Chinese Pavilion and a Confucian temple was built within the park. And here is my favorite place in Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. Yeah, you're right. This is museum. There are 14 museum at Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. There is Indonesian Museum, Purna Bakti Pertiwi Museum, Soldier Museum, Indonesian Stamp Museum, and many that I can spell it at this video. Let me tell you about religious building in Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. The region building of several official faiths is meant to showcase the interfaith tolerance and religious harmony of Indonesia. The religious building are Pangeran Diponegoro Mosque, Santa Catarina Catholic Church, Hallelujah Protestant Church, Penataran Agung Kertabumi Balinese Hindu Temple, Arya Dwitpa Arama Buddhist Temple, Sasana Adirasa Pangeran Samber Nyawa, Kong Miao Confession Temple. And there are many gardens and parks that you will find in Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. There are about 10 gardens spread within Taman Mini Indonesia Indah complex, but most are located primarily in the north and northeast side. The main lake is Orchid Garden, Medicinal Herbs Garden, Cactus Garden, Jasmine Garden, Keong Mas or Golden Snake Flower Garden, Taman Ria Atmaja Park, Stage and Music Performance, Taman Budaya Tionghoa Indonesia and Indonesian Chinese Culture Park, and it is under construction until now. Okay, that was the last place that I introduced you in Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. Don't forget to click the like in the video, and you can come here and experience it to yourself.